Do you want to view someone's WhatsApp status but you don't want to appear in the viewer list? Don't worry, I'm going to share with you the quickest guide how you can turn off the feature that allows them to see that you have viewed their status. Now, as we get started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, go to your WhatsApp and press up on the menu button on the 3 dots in the corner. Now, make sure that you press on settings. Now, under settings, press on privacy. Now they're going to bring you on this page. Make sure that you scroll right here. Make sure that you turn off this. If this is turned on, the read receipts, make sure that you turn it off. Once you turn this off, no one is going to be able to see that you have viewed their WhatsApp status, so you can view them secretly, but also you will not be able to see those who have viewed your WhatsApp status. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.